Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Quick Settings because it's the fastest path. Click the network, volume, or battery icon on the taskbar, and Quick Settings appears. Once done, locate the brightness slider marked with a sun icon and drag it to adjust immediately. Make sure Battery Saver isn't limiting output. If it is, disable it briefly so your changes take effect. This first step gives you a live preview and confirms the display responds before moving into deeper settings. Now move into the Settings app to refine control. Open Settings, choose System then Display. Here you'll see the main brightness slider plus additional options. If your device supports it, enable or disable adaptive brightness. This lets Windows change brightness based on ambient light. Also check night light and power mode settings because power plans can limit maximum brightness. Make sure to test changes under the power state you use most so the behavior matches. Finish by confirming your chosen brightness across power states. Plug in and run on battery to verify consistency. If you notice the slider is missing or adjustments don't work, don't panic. Check Device Manager for display adapter updates, run Windows Update, or reinstall the driver. If a recent update caused issues, roll back the driver or use System Restore. One quick troubleshooting tip: reboot after driver changes. It often restores brightness controls immediately and prevents lingering hardware lockups.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.